Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the KernelDAO Airdrop. We are going to be answering some questions that have been pressed a lot of users. Like for example, we have a lot of questions like this user right here is actually saying that I withdraw mine but haven't seen it on my Binance exchange. So I'm going to be talking about this in a moment. And over here guys, this user right here said, please, I stake $100 in KernelDAO Airdrop and the airdrop has ended and I still haven't got back my principal money back. Please, how do I go about it? So right now, without wasting time guys, this is all I'm going to be talking about specifically on this video. For those of you that may not know, if you see this kind of comment right here revealing 12 secret phrase, please disregard it. This is purely scam. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. If you see this type of comment, make sure you disregard it. I'm tired of deleting the comment. All right, so right now guys, let's go back to our Binance account. All right, so a lot of users has already received their airdrop, which is the KernelDAO. Right now guys, it is time for us to actually go and unstake the BNB that we actually stake. So what do we need to do? We need to go back right now like this, and over here you can see we are currently on the Binance exchange. So over here on assets, we are currently on the Binance exchange, so we need to go to wallet. I will click on wallet right now. So we have now switched to Binance Web3 wallet. Okay, and right now guys, how do we actually get back the BNB that we have staked? All right, so that's the first thing I'm going to be addressing. So what you need to do is simply come over here that we have okay, come over here to discover. You click on discover right now. So once you click on discover, you can see that we the campaign is no more here. There's no way that you can actually find it. Okay, so what you need to do right now is to simply go ahead and click over here that we have search for dApps and enter a URL. You click on it. This is going to be showing you history of where you're actually going to. So over here guys, you can see we have the KernelDAO right here on the history of the website that we have actually visited. So right now I will go ahead and click on it. All right, so clicking on it right now, you are going to be taken to the KernelDAO website where we actually made the the staking and all that. All right, so really guys, how do you actually be able to unstake what you stake? So what you need to do is simply go ahead right now and click. Once you have brought right here, you go ahead and click on this button right here. Okay, you click on it. Okay, so immediately you click on it, you are going to be seeing the asset that you have deposited. For example, we deposited BNB. We staked BNB, and this is it right here. And it is very easy for you to unstake your BNB. So to be able to do that, all you need to do is simply click on it. Okay, you click on it here that we have stake. You click on here that we have stake like this. You click on restake, and over here guys, you are going to be seeing the option of deposit and withdrawal. So if you are making any deposit, then you need to go ahead and click on deposit, but if you are making a withdrawal, you click on withdrawal. Okay, so over here right now, how do you actually withdraw? You actually withdraw by imputing the amount that you want to withdraw. For example, I'll be clicking on max right now, and once I click on max, then I will go ahead and click on switch chain. Okay, immediately I click on switch chain, I'm going to be asked to withdraw right now, then I will click on withdraw. So right now guys, what I need to do right now is simply approve it, and once I approve it, I'm going to be getting back the BNB that I actually staked. All right, I will go ahead and click on confirm right now, and over here right now I need to verify this, and over here right now in just a moment I'm going to be taking back my BNB. For example, right now you can see withdrawal complete. Okay, so right now guys, let's go ahead and check if you're actually withdrawing. But when you look up here, you can see that I got a Binance notification right now. Okay, so Binance wallet received 0.01 BNB. I've received it right now on my Binance, meaning that I have successfully withdrawn the BNB that I staked. All right, so if you are waiting for your BNB to come back to your wallet automatically, then you are wrong, because this is not actually something that is works in that way. So right now guys, that we have actually unstaked and withdrawn our BNB, what we need to do is simply go back to the Binance Web3 wallet. You come over here to asset like this, then you can notice that our balance has actually increased right here. Okay, we have now gotten back the BNB that we staked, and also we have gotten our airdrop. All right, so this is how easy it is for you to actually withdraw your BNB that you staked for the KernelDAO airdrop, mega drop on Binance. So for the person that asked the question of that said that I withdraw mine but I haven't seen it on my Binance exchange, it is not going to your Binance exchange, it is going to your Binance Web3 wallet. It is going to be added back to your Binance Web3 wallet. What you need to do is to simply go ahead and unstake it. You understand? So go ahead and unstake it, withdraw it, and you're going to be receiving it right here on your Binance Web3 wallet. You can then transfer it from here to your Binance wallet, to your Binance exchange. Just transfer it from here to your Binance exchange. So that is how simple it is for you to go around this and be able to withdraw back your BNB and receive your airdrop as well. All right, so this is how simple it is, guys. So if you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section and I'll be there to address you as soon as possible. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video and I will talk to you on the next one, dropping very soon. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please kindly do well to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like this video if you find it interesting. Thank you for watching and I will talk to you on the next one.